The instrument I decided to build for my project was using Arduino and sensors, sensor mics, which is piezo discs. So basically the sensors are put at the top of these, inside these tubes, and they're put in this line because this shows the highest note, the mid note, and the lowest note. At the moment, only this one's working. This one kind of does, but this one is the only one that seems to want to work. Inside, you can see the Arduino. Just put at the back there, and then all the pins and inputs are put onto the breadboard. You can see the connections are put this way. And the wires are put into the tubes and into the piezo discs, which are at the top there. Next, I'll show you how, after I fix these ones, then how it's supposed to work properly. And each note is set at A2, A1, and A0, which is the analog input. It's set at each note, which was 61, 64, and 67. For some reason at the moment, pin 2 seems to play all 3 notes, which is set at harmony, so that it only plays harmony. But pins 1 and 2 play 61 and 64. This is the rest of the patch. It's fairly simple. When I was altering it, I had to redo these, which was where you just copy and paste and add pin assignment 1 and pin assignment 2. And that's what I did with these 3 as well. You just give them, you just double them up and give them a number to assign each one. The serial port is at 57600, which is then sent to Garageband, which I'll show you. This is the MIDI message, which is sent over to Garageband. So this is the Garageband, which everybody has on their MacBook. And to start recording, you just press a note each. You can then change the instrument to whatever you want here. If you want to change the notes, then you can always go back onto Arduino. You change the notes here. It's set at 61, 64, and 67, but you can change it. And then you have to upload it. So let's say I want to change it to 63, 65, and 68. Verify, see that it's going to work okay, and then upload. Then you go back onto Hairless and you use Arduino, and it connects. That way it's changed. Of course, then disconnect on Arduino. Go to Audio MIDI Setup, Windows, Show MIDI window. Click on the AC driver. You create a new bus, and I named it Output to Audio Software. You can add a new, whatever you want to name it, and then it will show up on Hairless in the MIDI output. Harmony, low note, high note. It's not exactly matching with how I put the tubing, but it's working, and that's good enough for me for now. So this is the instrument I built, and I'm pretty proud of it.